Welcome. If you want to make soft reset of your Huawei Sound X, all you have to do is just to take it off from the power supply. So let me do this. And as you can see right now, our device is turned on, so we have to plug it back after a few seconds. So let's make it. Okay, so as you can see, it's turned on back, and after a few moments it will be turned on. So right now when we click right here, you can see that our device is turned on back. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.